If I have to start investing again, all over again, now is exactly what I will do. Even though if I have a few $100 in my pocket. And in this video, I'm gonna break down step by step why you should invest, how your money actually grows, what is an ETF versus an index fund, and when is the right time to start investing. And finally, I will show you a live demo how to buy your first stock or ETF on Fidelity. Now, let's talk about when to start investing. When is the best time to start? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. It's not about time in the market, it's about time in the market. Even if you start small with $5, $10, $20, or $100 a month, the key is consistency. Every dollar you invest today is buying your freedom in the future. The biggest question is, what should you actually invest in? For beginners, the easiest and safest way is to start investing is with index fund or ETF. But what is an index fund? An index fund is like a basket holding hundreds of companies. For example, the S&P 500 index fund on share and the 500 biggest companies like Apple's, Amazon, Nvidia, Google's, all of them in one fund. And an ETF or exchange traded funds work almost the same way, except you can buy or sell an ETF for like a stock any time of the day. Warren Buffett himself said the best thing to do is to own an S&P 500 index. Why? It's because this fund gives you instant diversifications and low fees, which is best for beginners. Now let's jump into Fidelity and I will show you exactly how to buy your first ETF on Fidelity.
So basically we go to account, then we go to trade, and we put the symbol of what we want to buy, the CPO, Vanguard 500 Index Fund ETF, and it says buy, we're not selling, dollars amount, and the amount we buy is $7. Doesn't matter, you can buy $10, $15, and the market police price, and you say where it's coming from, and then you preview and you place your order. Now you own a pieces of the 500 biggest company in the United States. That's how you buy your first stock or ETF.
So if I were to start investing today, here's what I will do. Start small, be consistent, and stay with simple ETF or index fund. If this video helped you understand investing, drop a like and subscribe for more beginner friendly investing videos. Comment below what your first investment will be.